In this video, I want to show you how to record in slow motion on your DJI Osmo Action 6. So there's two ways really how you can do this. The first way is, well, make sure you're in video mode. So tap over here, select the video camera. And from here, tap where you see the resolution and you'll be able to select your frame rate. So let's say you want to film absolutely in 4K. Well, to do a nice slow motion, you're going to use the maximum frame rate, which is 120 frames per second. You won't be able to preview that slow motion inside of the camera if you do it the first way I'm showing you right now. You'll have to export it to your editing software. You will have to slow down your footage, and since it has 120 frames per second, you'll be able to slow it down properly and it will be a slow motion video. Now, the second way on how to do this slow motion thing, well, let's go over here. No matter where you are, you're going to tap over here and you're going to drag until you see slow motion. Select. And now if you go in the same place, you'll be able again to select your resolution. Let's say 4K, 120 frames per second, the same way it was before. But this time, after we record the video, if we preview that video, it will be already in slow motion. The camera will do it for you. So let me just show you what I mean by this. So let me do a quick demonstration. Over here, I will simply drop this thing. All right, so I have recorded during 2 seconds, but since this is a slow motion video, I'll be able to preview right over here. And the 2 seconds become a 12 seconds video because the camera has slowed it down, as you see. And if you export it, it will also be slowed down this way, which can help you in case you like to have your footage already slowed down when you're edited. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.